Good evening and welcome, ladies and gents, to another video for Leonardo AI, and this time around we're going to be looking at all the different presets that we currently can play with. Now, I am just going to put this into cinematic keynote so I can get access to this. You cannot use Leonardo Phoenix to get access to these. However, these elements are actually going to tell you exactly what model is the best one to use. So don't just leave it on the one that you've actually selected to get into here. Have a read through and actually look at what model it suggests using. Now, there have been some really nice cool ones that have come in recently. So medieval illustration, I believe, is a new one. Glitch art, that's a fairly new one as well. There have, I think it's a wooden art one as well, has come in somewhere. They are pushing more and more of these each and every kind of week. They are bringing in one or two more, and what this does is actually add an element to your AI images. So really nice way to style your images without having to know kind of deep kind of prompting words and things like this. This takes all that kind of guesswork away from you and actually really helps you deliver the AI images that you want to deliver. So I'm going to just select a few of these and we're going to just run a prompt a few times of what I've already done. So what we can actually do, which is quite useful as well, is we can actually select multiple of these and then enable them as we kind of want. So what I am going to choose I'm going to go with dark arts because it's one of my favorites, color pops, old school comic, and then we will go for this new woodcut illustration as well. Now what you can do is actually disable this, enable this as you are going. You can also change the strength of the element as well. So we are just going to be having a clown looking happy, and right now we're going to turn off those three. So we're just going to have the dark arts and we are just going to run that one. As that one is going, we're going to turn off dark arts. We are then going to enable color pop, run that one, and so on and so forth. And this now is pushing out an image with that prompt with this element and the strength of it as well. So this will show you firstly just how quick the images are being made. As you can see, the first ones are already being made, and just how different those elements actually give you in terms of variety of AI images. And this is where it becomes such a unique piece of software, Leonardo AI, because not only do you have to just use, or not only do you have to use one of these, you can actually use a combination of these with different kind of strengths and everything, and it is a really nice way to get some really good unique images exactly to how you want them. So these are our load of images. I have not sped up that video at all. I think that took about 30 seconds for all 16 images to be made here, which is absolutely insane kind of speed, and the quality of them I think really cool as well. I really actually like this woodcut art style. It's a very cool kind of art style that I really like. That the I believe this is the cartoon one, which that one there seems to have gone more for real, but again still quite a unique kind of different thing. Color pop, and then your dark arts, which I think is really nice. I really do like that dark art one. Really good for kind of dark imagery, medieval imagery, all that kind of stuff. So what we are actually going to do right now is I'm going to turn off that one, and we are going to have this one here, and we are going to have this one here. Now I'm going to leave the strengths of these, so this is going to pull more from the dark arts rather than this one here, which I can't actually remember what the name of this one was, but it's going to pull more from this one rather than this one, but it is still going to pull an element of this one as well. So we're just going to generate that again, and we're going to see now using two different elements just how different the image is going to be when we were only using one. Again, there are so many different elements here. I'm just going to show you these as we are playing through these, but there are so many different elements here that you can combine. You can change the strengths of, you can really make some very unique images using some of these. So personal favorites so far, like I said, the woodcut I really do like, actually. The cel shaded anime, it's like gives it that really kind of 70s 80s anime kind of look, which I really like. Rainbow core is pretty cool as well, quite like that one. Glitch art is very nice. Fiery flames is a really cool one. Psychedelic art is a really good one as well. Glow wave, I've actually made a music video using glow wave, which is pretty cool. A few others kind of going on through. Colourpop is a very nice one, and Dark Arts is my personal favourite, and Toon and Anime as well. This is a really nice one to actually increase the anime style of your pictures. So as you can see, we have now got a image which has been made by two of these elements, and it is slightly different to what we first got. So this now is using, I believe that was the old school comic one, so it is pulling more from the Dark Arts, which you can definitely tell, but it's also pulling a bit of that old school comic as well. So some really nice images here if you are looking at using that kind of stuff. Like I said, once you've actually chosen your elements, if you're not liking them, if you don't get on with them, or the rest of it, you want to change them, as simple as crossing them off, selecting a new one. It's such an simple, easy system to use, and it's so beginner friendly. I can't recommend it enough. I'm going to leave the video there though. I just wanted to really have a quick deep dive into those elements there and just showcase some of them off to you. Thank you very much for watching. As always, folks, I hope you enjoyed this one. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to be kept up to the latest and greatest for Leonardo AI. Share any comments down in the comments below for me as well, and I hope to catch you out in the next one.